First question. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is located at which place? Right answer. Option D. Mumbai. Next question. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport is located at? Right answer. Option C. Kolkata. Next question. Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar International Airport is located at? Right answer. Option B. Nagpur. Next question. Guru Ramdas Ji International Airport is located at which place? Right answer. Option D. Amritsar. Next question. Kempegowda International Airport located at which place? Kempegowda International Airport located at which place? Right answer. Option B. Bengaluru. Next question. Indira Gandhi International Airport is located at? Indira Gandhi International Airport is located at? Right answer. Option C. Delhi. Next question. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport is located at? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport is located at? Right answer. Option D. Ahmedabad. Next question. Lokpriya Gopinath Badoloi International Airport is located at? Right answer. Option A. Guwahati. Next question. Veer Savarkar International Airport is located at? Veer Savarkar International Airport is located at? Right answer. Option B. Port Blair. Next question. Jaiprakash Narayan International Airport is located at? Jaiprakash Narayan International Airport is located at? Right answer. Option C. Patna. Next question. Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport is located at? Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport is located at? Right answer. Option A. Varanasi. Next question. Chaudhary Charan Singh International Airport is located at? Chaudhary Charan Singh International Airport is located at? Right answer. Option B. Lucknow. Okay friends, finally a comment question. Calicut International Airport is located at which state? If you know the answer, please comment your answer in comment section friends. And again we will meet with another video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. All the best.